Welcome. If you've ever been startled by that little buzz every time someone comments on your Instagram post, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off vibration for Instagram comments, and yes, this method is fully updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings. This is where all your apps and system preferences live. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps. That's where you'll manage everything related to your installed applications. Next, tap on Instagram. This will open up all the options for the app, including how it sends you notifications. Now, tap on notifications. Here, you'll see various categories that Instagram uses to alert you about different activities, likes, messages, story mentions, and of course, comments. To fine-tune those, tap on notification categories. This page lets you control specific types of notifications rather than turning them all off at once. From the list that appears, find and tap on comments. You should now see a few toggles that control sound, vibration, and other alert styles. All you need to do is toggle off the vibrate option. That's it. Once you turn that switch off, your phone will stay silent when someone leaves a comment. No more buzzing distractions whenever your post gets attention. This quick setting change lets you stay connected without interruptions, especially when you're focusing or just want a bit of peace. The best part is you'll still get the comment notifications, just without the vibration. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a like and sharing it so others can enjoy a quieter Instagram experience too. Thanks for watching.